You might be thinking that this is an ugly gun. You might be thinking, why this? I could stick with my AEG. You might be thinking this is going to fall short of being able to hit your targets. But you'd all be wrong. This is the Echo 1 M28, and it is spectacular. Subtract 4 from the M28 and multiply by 100 and you get the real steel M24, which is the police and military versions of the bolt-action Remington 700. The Remington fires various rounds, but what's important is the M24, which holds 5 rounds internally, firing the 7.62 by 51mm NATO round, or the .308 Winchester. In 1988, the US military got a hold of the Remington 700 and made it the standard sniper weapon, as well as giving it the name, the M24 Sniper's Weapon System, or SWS. The Echo 1 M28 comes with a warranty card, an unjamming rod, 2 18-round magazines, a speed loader, a spring-loaded bipod, and the M28. Sniping is for the passionate, for those that don't mind waiting and watching, and this is the perfect sniper system for those beginning on the subject. The M28 has a few parts here and there compatible with other such guns like the VSR-10, though at the moment, not many parts are out for upgradability. Echo 1 claims it shoots 500 FPS right out of the box, and you'd be surprised because they're close to right. This is obviously the tan version, but it also comes in a standard black. The rear of the gun features a comfortable adjustable butt plate and a polymer stock. On the upper receiver there is an Echo 1 engraving. Underneath the gun you can find a realistic magwell based on the real steel M24. On top we find a 20mm optic mount perfect for any size scope. On the left side along the barrel you will find the hop-up location. Move it towards the shooter for more and away for less. Behind the bolt is the safety. Flip it forwards and you're ready to go. The M28 comes fitted standard with a fluted barrel for reduced weight. Also included is a high-end trigger, a quality air seal, and inner barrel spacers. At a length of 1025mm, an inner barrel length of 517mm, and a weight of 8 pounds, the M28 feels as sturdy as Brian Holt's hair on a hot summer day. Anyways, the battery is housed... Wait, no, that's not right. This rifle is spring action, and it's a beastly spring if I might add. It may be a little stiff or hard to pull back for the smaller guys, but it brings the hurt. I can handle a tough spring if I can put rounds down range when I need to. When you receive the gun, it will be in 2 parts. It's simple to assemble. To learn more on how to assemble it, download the manual from Echo 1 USA.
Hey, no cameras. Hey, whoa, whoa.
tan version of the Echo One M28 really grew on me. Keep in mind there is also a standard black version. We really enjoyed the M28, and Echo One has baffled us again with a great rifle. It's sturdy, it shoots hard right out of the box, and it's capable of hitting human-sized objects upwards of 150 feet easily. Come on, could you really want anything more?
My name's Walker and I'm with SS Airsoft. Hoorah!
Bust 'em.